Evolutionary Hoof Care introduces the bar and sole rasps. These new tools are designed to assist you in promoting the health and function of both the bars and sole of the hoof. They have 3 different arcs for cleaning different parts of the sole and bars, and an exceptionally effective hoof pick point. The narrow arc is for working deeper contours, the flatter midsection for sweeping across broad areas, and the wider arc for the broader curves of sole concavity. There are 2 versions of bar and sole rasp. Both have the same shape and are applied in a similar manner, but they have different types of teeth. This makes them perform somewhat differently. The white-handled SR1 has standard-style pointed rasp teeth. These scrape away threads of horn as you apply the rasp. This form of teeth often works best when you are cleaning harder or rougher horn surfaces. The black-handled SR2 has flat-edge, knife blade-like teeth that extend across its concave surface. This form of tooth shaves rather than scrapes the sole, leaving a smoother finish. When the bars and sole are fairly smooth and the horn not too hard, these teeth are easier to apply. There are 2 versions of the black-handled SR2 bar and sole rasp. We make these from different sizes of milled tooth files. The SR2F fine tooth is 7/8 inch wide and has slightly smaller teeth than the 1/8 inch wider SR2C coarse tooth. The wider SR2C removes horn faster than the narrower SR2F, but the narrower file is easier to use and fits better in smaller hands and smaller hooves. However, the wider version's larger teeth are less likely to clog with dirt and soft sole horn. Overall, the wider SR2C is the best choice for regular or professional trimmers, and the narrower SR2F best for occasional trimmers and those with smaller hands. The main difference between the SR1 and 2 is how the teeth remove horn. The rasp teeth of the SR1 peel off threads of horn. This difference makes the SR1 rasp teeth more effective on hard and rough horn, but it leaves a surface with small grooves. The SR2 knife teeth shave more smoothly, remove horn more rapidly, and leave a smoother surface. Both rasps work well by themselves, but depending on the condition of the bar and sole horn, each has some particular advantages. Some trimmers prefer one over the other. Often, the best results are obtained by using the white-handled SR1 first, followed by the black-handled SR2 for the smoothest finish. Made from high-grade steel and heat-treated for maximum hardness, these rasps are a long-term investment, like a quality hoof knife. There are several ways to grip the rasps, depending on which part of them you want to apply. The one-hand grip, the one-hand grip with a thumb brace, the wider corner grip for applying the narrow arc, and 2-handed grips for extra leverage. The 2-hand grip allows you to push and pull the rasp for maximum effect. The 2-hand grip can also be used to move the rasp sideways across the sole to blend all aspects of the surface. In addition to the different arcs for use on bars and soles, the rasps have a sharp-edged tang and point for use as a hoof pick and scraping tool. Striking downward with this pick point quickly breaks up packed dirt. A 2-handed grip provides even more control for precise scraping of the white line. Using bar and sole rasps with a hoof stand and a well-designed hoof cradle attachment provides solid support, making every stroke with the rasp both easier and more effective. Sole rasps are easily maintained with a wire brush and frequent applications of oil to prevent rusting. And both the SR1 and SR2 can be resharpened using our special honing pad. After cleaning the teeth with a wire brush, the rasps are pulled across the fine grit pad a few times to hone the cutting edges of the teeth. Like a quality hoof knife, cared for properly, These rasps can last for hundreds of trimmings.